Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is Thursday the 20th, and I just wanted to share some of my Happy Meal from the last couple days. I ordered off Amazon these two Cooking with Nona cookbooks. It's a 1 year of Italian holiday recipes, and this one is like traditional recipes. Like these like 200 different recipes from 200 different little Italian grandmas. So, this lady interviews grandmas, and she puts the recipes up on her YouTube, which is called Pasta Grannies, and she's done 2 cookbooks now. So, that's really cool. So, if you want traditional Italian recipes, check Pasta Grannies out, because they have videos and interviews and recipes. Lots of fun. I don't have my any recipes from my great grandma or my grandma on my dad's side, because they're the Italians. My mom's side is a bunch of everything else. So it's nice to have recipes that my dad could, you know, he can remember his grandma making for him. So it's nice for us to have these. So I mainly got it for Dad, but it's also my cookbooks too. So we're really excited to try out some of these recipes. So, I mean, look at how good these are. The pictures are. I mean, this is lasagna here. They have tiramisu, it looks like right there. Little stuffed like donuts, I guess. Like cannoli type shells. Stuff that he remembers as a kid getting from his grandma. So anyway, let's move on to the Yum box. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of that, because they have looks like they have a variety of things from like this past year of the Yum box. So hold on a second. Okay. Whoops. Looks like we're getting stuff from China, Russia, Poland, South Africa, Morocco, Canada. Did I say Peru already? No, Peru. So that's just a sneak peek. So I'm not going to open anything to eat it right away, but I think that's from Russia or something. Egg yolk flavored popcorn. Oh, that just sounds disgusting. Gingerbread. I love gingerbread. That might be from Poland. And a bunch of little candies that I can't pronounce. So Mom and I will be filming that on Saturday. She wanted to look in the box too, so that's why it's open. So she already looked. She already told me. So those are that. I have my Boxy charm, so hold on a second. Okay, this is my Boxy charm. Oh, see, look at my nails. This is the KL Polish Marshmallow Sunset. It's supposed to like do a pink to orange shift, but it's not really doing it in this light, but that's okay. It's still a pretty white. I got the Spongel Blossom Bliss Body Wash Buffer. That's fine. I don't think I've tried anything from Spongel. Then I got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Oh, by the way, I got the BoxyLuxe this month. This is the second one, I think. Anyway, this is like $80. What? That's just insane to me. But anyway, I got the Pretty Vulgar. This is the Powder Room Mad About It powder. I really like the packaging on this. It's so pretty. Wonder if I use this up, I can put... I have the powder from, you know, the old-fashioned one from like the 30s. Not Physicians Formula, but It's like a cult classic. I'll put the, hold on, let me find it. I'm thinking about the Airspun powder. So, yeah. I really like the scent of it. It smells like my grandma. So, anyway, I got the Grande mascara. I've been wanting to try that, so that's pretty cool. This is $25, so I better do something to my lashes, because my lashes are pretty darn stubby, so I want, like, full-on drag queen lashes. I'm kidding. I want a little something, so, anyway. I have the, oops, it's upside down. I have the Tardiest Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade, focus honey, come on. Insta Famous. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, that's what Insta Famous looks like. So it's really, really glittery. That's pretty cool. So try that out. Then we got Luxe Complete Face Set. It's a lot of nice brushes. Ooh, a spoolie. I'm sure Mom will take that one from me. I don't use brow stuff, so she can have that. Then we got the Glam AF bag, which has a charger in it. Here's the little charger. It's Crimes of Beauty. That's cute. Then I got the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. Let's take a look at it. Oops. Oh, that's pretty. These colors are coming off way more gold than they are. That's okay. Pretty. Kind of looks like the one they did with Laura Lee. So, at least some of the colors look pretty similar. So, anyway, pretty. And the last thing I got is the Suva Protege palette. Let's take a look what that looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. Yep, I have my Olaf pajamas on. That's pretty. I heard a lot of girls are not, they got the email to pick their stuff, and they picked the palette and they got the hair straightener. That's bull. That was just wrong, BoxyCharm. So, that's all I'm going to say about that. I think that's it. I'm going to get ready to go to work, so hopefully it's not too crazy of a day. So, I will see you guys a little bit later. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is Friday the 21st. And I'm going to open up the rest of the Zini Leanie Advent Calendar. And I'm going to show you what I got in this month's Ipsy. So, let's just get into the Advent Calendars. Okay, day 9 is Fallen Christmas Star. And it is based on Christmas Story. Here's the little design there. Alfie in the snow. Bundled up. It says, will you shoot your eye out? Will your tongue get stuck? Or maybe you're so bundled up that you fall in the snow, spread eagled like a star. A Christmas Story is a holiday tradition. So are sugar plums, candy cane, and spearmint. I do have a slight allergy to spearmint, so I'll just be passing that one along. But it is really cute, so. There's that one. Number 10. There is... Let me turn on another light, hold on. And there's number 10. It's better watch out. We imagined what a German Christmas might smell like with pine, holly, cinnamon, and citrus. Just remember to keep the fire hot and the spirit of Christmas in your heart. Otherwise, you may face the Krampus this year. So this one is based on the movie Krampus. I've never watched that movie, but this does really smell nice, so I like this one. Number 11 is Rose Such a Clatter. When Scott Campbell reads "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" to his son on Christmas Eve, the boy mishears "There rose such a clatter" as "There arose such a clatter. The spray smells like the best hot cocoa ever. Now you know." There's the packaging there, and it does smell really, really good. So, if you like Pumpkin King from the other month, you'll definitely love this one. And the last one is a special scent just for the Advent. It is not on her site. It was just for the Advent. It is called Hark. It's Christmas, Charlie Brown, and every year we have to have a pageant. His sister only has one line, and all the practicing in the world won't prepare her for it. Will you be prepared for the warmth of peanut butter cookies and candied apples? This is just a generic label because they're having a contest to have someone help them design the artwork for it, and I won, so I'm really excited about helping Marshall design the little label for this. Haven't really decided what character I want, but I don't know. My favorite Peanuts character is actually not Charlie Brown, Linus. He's the one with the blankie, I think. I can't remember. He's the one with the blankie. I think it's Linus. So, anyway, let me get into Ipsy. Okay, this is this month's bag. It's really cute. I like that. Cute little, for, you know, parties. Little tassel there. So cute. These are my add-ons. You can get up to 3 add-ons now for $3 each, so that's pretty cool. I got my first one is the Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. It's like a liquid highlighter, and it's in the shade, I don't know if you guys can see that, Unicorn. Let me pull it out for you. There it is there. Really pretty. I like the packaging on it. It's really, really cool. I like that. Next thing I got was from Steve Laurent. It's loose powder eyeshadow. I really like the little box it came in. It's really cute. Let me show you the color. It is called Antique Olive. Hold on a sec. There's a little lid, and here's the, I don't know if you guys can see the color. Maybe. Kind of like a, looks, well, because of the packaging, it looks more like sage green, but I think it's really pretty, so. And the last thing that I got for my add-ons was this 10-pack of the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I wanted to try them out, so this was a good sample for me to get, so maybe I'll like them. I don't know. So far with Radiance Pads, I wasn't really a fan. Like the ones I tried from, what was that, Pixie Beauty? I didn't like those. The Glow Tonic ones? Yeah. I'm using the Skin Iceland ones right now. I really do like those, but maybe I'll like these. These will be a little bit cheaper. So anyway, let's go on to what's next. Let's see what's in the bag. First thing is a brush. Looks really nice. Let me see if it's fluffy. Yeah, it's alright. Never go wrong with a brush. This is from, it's upside down, Ciate London. It's a glitter flip. Oh, cool. I can test the formula now. This one is in the shade Infamous. Really pretty, like, reddish color, so that's cool. Then I have a sample of the Murad Renewing Eye Cream, so that's cool. Here's their little useless card. Then we have the H2O one. The Oasis Hydrating Treatment. That'd be nice to try. Then I got the Nude Beach eyeshadow in, which one are you? Bootylicious. Let's take a look at that. Where's that? That's pretty. I think I have something similar to that somewhere, but that's alright. And the last thing is from Trust Fund Beauty, and it's a nail polish in the shade Zero Carbs. Let's take a look at that. And there is the it's like a grayish purpley type color, so that's cool. So that's the end of my Ipsy. I'll film some more things tomorrow, hopefully. Today is Saturday. I didn't finish looking at my Ipsy until today, so yeah. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.